Hey devs, want to know the top 5 JavaScript frameworks ruling 2025? Let's go in just 60 seconds. Number 5, Angular. Built by Google, full-featured, scalable, and perfect for large enterprise apps. Number 4, Svelte. No virtual DOM. It compiles into fast, lean JavaScript. The future feels svelte. Number 3, Next.js. Built on React, but turbocharged. Server-side rendering, static sites, APIs, all in one. Number 2, Vue.js. Lightweight, beginner-friendly, and flexible. Vue is smooth, fast, and growing strong. Number 1, React. Backed by Meta, it's still the king for building fast, dynamic user interfaces. Huge community, tons of tools, perfect for modern web apps. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Hot! Like, follow, and keep coding smart.